Look at this gorgeous day at Glamping Wild. You can see over there, there is a track hoe. I think that's a track hoe, smoothing out some of the paths. There's like a dip in some areas, so they're just getting those in good order. I'm walking back away from sitting area 3 on the main part of the circular path, the interior part. Like I said, this is where the path branches off in 3 different areas and ultimately circles back up to where the tents are over there, and then on the other end to the edge of the property over there. So I'm coming to the center path right now. This leads out to the center sitting area that's by the water. There's actually a confluence of different streams down there. It is very cool. You can see all kinds of birds and wildlife in here. It gets a little mushy in some areas because it is wetland. So we are coming up with what we're permitted to do in terms of walkways and whatnot over the mushy areas. So the seasonality of the wetlands is pretty cool. So everything just kind of dies down seasonally, and it just kind of decays into the earth, and then new stuff that's ready to come up for the season comes up, and all these different things attract different birds and different wildlife. It's looking like it's, you know, winter right now. Everything's about 5 feet up, but just a couple of weeks ago there was beautiful flowers all through this area. So I'm coming back up to the other part of the circle that hugs the base of this big hill, and then I'm gonna pick back up over there and head down to the walking labyrinth.